Hello everyone, it is Andrea. It is early in the morning and I am coming at you today with my new releases that will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and I am so excited to show you all the things. I feel like there is a lot of things to show, so let's just go ahead and get started. All of these will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. First, let's start out with the next Doodle color bundle. So this is like a, this is backwards because Nick just got this for me today, but this is a pale cornflower blue. We're going to get a little specific with the names. I also don't know if I showed you that it says the name on the first page and then it says the numbers and like the freebie is the last one, but this will be on the special pricing through Sunday, and I am so excited for this one. It's going to be great for spring, summer, and it's just a beautiful blue. I love it so much. And then we do have another Scribbler. This is a kiddo. This is going to be number 84. Super stinking cute. Y'all have been loving these. Adorable. Then I have a restock of a grab bag, and I have 15 millimeter strip grab bags. These have been sold out for a little bit, I think, but we have more. So this is going to just be 10 Misfit 15 millimeter strips. Great to have on hand, especially if you have some older kids that need them, or if you like to kind of switch up the color. Super cute. So those will be restocked Wednesday. Then I also have something that I've been not working on, but I've thought of, and I was like, y'all, what do you think? And you were like, yes. So March Mystery is already like revealed and said and done, but I had been talking about on Instagram changing some things up, and one of the things that I want to change up with Mystery is that I want to offer like extras in shop as far as like add-on items, because it's, you know, hard to like offer all of the things in the Mystery because obviously like size-wise, I just don't have the room. So some of these are like in the Mystery, but it's more of like a future kind of thing, like to have the options. And my idea is to show these with the reveal video, and then as soon as the reveal video goes up, I will have the extras live, and they will have like just like a like whatever May Mystery on the front that's like inconspicuous, and then you can go to the next one and it'll have all of the extras on it. So this is gonna be for March, so this will be up for about like 2 weeks, so it's gonna be less than normal, but you have the this is not in order, but let's go ahead and go through it. So we have Doodle 2, Fashion, we also have Label 2, Label 3, Ombre, Pattern Boxes, and then we have all of these Scribblers as well. So I'm excited to be able to offer these, and everyone was like, yes, do it. So here we are doing it. So these will be available until the next reveal goes live. I'll probably honestly take them down the night before the reveal goes live, if that makes sense. Yeah, I'm excited about them, and to be able to offer like more things, especially like the Scribblers and stuff and the pattern boxes. And I know a lot of people like ombres as well, so gotta get those in. Then we'll go into the foil bundles before we talk about something else that's new. So I'm actually going to release 4 this week because I have so many foil bundles to release. The stack is getting thick. So this week I'm going to be doing the Daisy foil, which I've had a bunch of foil bundles in this, and these are all going to be on special pricing through Sunday. So they're going to be like 30-ish% off. So grab them while you can. There's going to be gold, silver, and then this is Champagne Lights and Lavender Hollow are all going to be available. And these are perfect for, again, spring, summer, and I love them. And again, in the core colors, core fun, they're great to have multiples on hand. Then we're going to move into the monthly kits, which are a completely like new thing. I also have 2 other things to show you, but I'll show you those like after the monthly kits. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show you the monthly kits. So let me actually go ahead and pull out the planner that is associated with it so I can show you kind of what this looks like laid down. So here is like the base, and this is for the Erin Condren planner, which also does, I asked Maggie Fitz in her planner like inserts as well. So this will be the Erin Condren version. They do say there's like EC on here, and then the Erin Condren one has the like top bar because this is like wide. I'm going to go ahead and flip through it. So this is going to be an add-on, but I'll explain that then. So let's go ahead and go through this one, and then I will go through the A5 wide format. It is a changed format to make my life a little bit easier and make the monthlies a little bit more manageable and like smaller, but has all of your like core elements. So you do have the top section here. These are cut into boxes so you can kind of fit what you need. Use the other ones down here if there are applicable days. And then there are some just kind of like different sized boxes, kind of more working with the room I had in these. And then you have the top bar here, 2 extra full boxes, because realistically you're not going to have more than the 4 and 2, like as far as boxes needed. But yeah, so you have those there as well. So this is the, why am I blanking? This is the page, it's a page. I've been up for hours, but I woke up at 4:50 this morning. You have some extra boxes here, which are full width. The other ones are not. And then you have some like, they're like chunkier little things. Again, I was working with the area that I had, and these have patterns on them. These are more standard size, but they're actually like slightly smaller than standard size. Again, working with the size that I have, little things. Some pattern boxes fit the size perfectly. And then I did kind of like a build your own sidebar situation, just because the Erin Condren specifically sidebar is so dang long. Shipping it was always kind of like a lot, and like cellos and this whole thing. So this is going to be like a build your own sidebar. So you're going to have 3 different boxes in here, and then there is the 3 glitter headers. So if you stack those up, it'll be a perfect sidebar, because this, like the decorative sidebar, is definitely vastly more popular than a functional sidebar. And then as an add-on, if you want to purchase, you can get the ombre heart checklist boxes. And what's nice about this is, let's say you only want to use 1 of them or like 2 of them, which maybe I'll bring out these in like more like multicolor as well, so that you can just maybe pull in 1 versus having the 3. But you could also do maybe like 1 or 2 or all 3 and switch those out. Super cute. That is an add-on. And then the freebie in both of the monthly version kits is going to be the date numbers, and there's just some random icons as well as 5 payday flags, and then 4 blank flags. Again, I'm working with the room that I have on the page. So that will be the Erin Condren / Crest Press, like any of the like more standard monthly kits. That is going to be the layout. I only did 1 to start, just in case I messed anything up, but so far it looks good. Then I also do have in the standard like print impression A5 wide size, which is the size that I was like, this makes all the sense. So for print impression, his boxes are 1.5 wide, so you can use all standard like regular stickers in it. So when it comes to that, we do have the Erin Condren size, which also does have an add-on if you so wish. Again, totally working with the size available here. So it is very, very, very similar format. It's just the boxes are different sizes, as you can see, to fit the sizing of the kit. So you again have the long bar and then the 4 boxes that all like line up seamlessly. You have the top bar over here, and then 2 extra boxes. You have the 4 boxes over here, and then you have 3 patterned little things. Then over here, you have the 3 boxes. Again, they're like shorter, so you have way more little things. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of each color. Little things is the most popular for the monthly. And then you have some patterned larger boxes. And again, the same freebie here as well, with the date numbers, as well as the paydays and the flags. So those are the monthly kits. And again, they both have add-on options of the ombres. So I hope y'all love them. And that is everything for the monthlies. Now we'll go into just 2 things I wanted to show you. First things first is I did redesign label 2. It won't take place this week. I designed it after everything was done for this week, but I'm thinking next week, if I don't change my mind for some reason. This is going to be the new label 2 / label 3. It has 6 glitter headers up top, and then you do have the 3 little things, solid and pattern, and then a fancy label and 2 boxes in pattern and solid. So I thought this looked really cute, turned out perfect. Also wanted to quickly show you my next collab with Hannah. This will be available, I believe, on the 1st, and this is gonna be a fruit bundle. Just wanted to give you a little flip of this, available in a haul for foil colors. So you have some really cute boxes here with all different kinds of fruit, and then you'll get 2 of those, her icons, and then some scripts. And then these are the super cute underlays with all the different fruits. And then the hole protectors, the headers, deco, date numbers, and then the bottom washi. There will be an add-on if you want to add that on. Since the hole protectors are now in the like standard kit, there's just a bunch of quotes here that are super cute with a tall box. And then my freebie starting then will be grow through what you go through, and then with you, me time, and then some little icons as well. So I wanted to show you that as well. Then let's get into the kits. First things first is I do have this here, which is called Water Park. For Water Park and Scotland, I do have like Design With Me reels up, which are so fun and y'all love them. So this one is a water park theme kit. I asked which colorway y'all liked, and this was the winner, and I think it looks so pretty. I love like the lighting and like also the like texture of the like bottom of the pool. It looks so pretty, and these colors are so stinking fun. It is like begging for quote boxes. And the patterns are so pretty and perfect for the summertime, the summer vibes. And then the freebie and the ultimate and the mini is going to be some fashion people, but I think this turned out so cute. It's going to be perfect in July, I think, or maybe August, or also maybe June. In Texas, we get those long summers. So we have the ultimate and the mini, and then let me show you the add-on options. There is Doodle, there is Doodle 2, there is also, there is also the label sampler, and then label 2 is a little bit of a darker teal, not blue, teal. And then you have pattern, you also have ombre, you have all of your scribbler options, all 6, as well as you have the fam options as well. So stinking cute. And you have fam all the way 1 through 6, and they are the 4 full boxes. So those are super cute. Again, perfect for the summertime. I love this. Even just for like a pool day, if you're not going to like a water park. I love it. I think it's super cute. Then we have Scotland. Do I have plans to go to Scotland? No. Am I going to use this kit? Yeah. I think it's giving me like fall vibes, right? Like a transition fall vibe. But also could kind of feel January for me. So stinking pretty. I love it so much. Again, I don't think I'll ever go to Scotland in my life. There's just so many countries, you know what I'm saying? But I'm definitely going to be using this. I think it's so cute. The vibes. I love this like dark, cool tone, greenish blue. I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with it. It is so pretty. I don't even know what foil I'll use with this. Maybe rose gold. I don't know. Rose gold, copper, regular gold, silver, mixed metal. Who knows? Extra boxes there. So stinking cute. Love this one. Also, we do have a pop mystery this week. So this is going to be the last kit I'm showing you. If you do not want to see the pop mystery, which if so, thank you for watching. So when you go through the add-on options, you have Doodle, you have Doodle 2, you have Fashion 1 and Fashion 2, and then you also do have Label 1 and Label 2, as well as Ombre, and then the pattern, and then you also do have all of the Scribbler options, and that, my friends, is Scotland. So again, if you do not want to see the pop mystery, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. But if you do want to see, it is so cute and I'm so excited. So I'm going to give you the little flyby and I'm going to literally be just screaming. Okay. I am so excited for this because I'm going to be using it for Mother's Day, because I think that the Aristocats just reminds me of my family. And I am just so dang excited for this kit. I think it turned out so cute. Like, I'm obsessed. Exclusive, or you won't find it anywhere else. And y'all, it is perfection. I just love Marie. I think Marie is just so cute. And then that just reminds me of Bennett, and that just reminds me of Theo. And then there's me, and then there's Nick. And I just think it's adorable. I love the Aristocats. I just think everything's so cute. There's a lot of characters in this, so there's the little bows in the background, which are perfect. I love these colors. They're so pretty for very anytime vibes, but feel kind of like, you know, not vintage, but, you know, because it's a little bit of an older movie. So stinking cute. Art by Dusk, papers by Jess. Ugh, he sucks, but, you know, he's here. And then we do have the little siblings here. Well, I don't remember what their names are, though. We have Marie, is it Tuberos, and is that his name? Let me look up Aristocats. I don't remember what the other one's name is. I know I'm going to see it, and I'm going to be like, Aristocats. be like, oh yeah, that's it. Do we not have like a name, kitten names? Oh, Burlows? I don't know. Or the other one's Turlos? I don't know. Somebody let me know a phonetic one for that one. I know Marie, because Marie's just so cute. Okay, so that is the Ultimate Kit. Also comes in mini. Let me show you the add-on options. So you have Doodle, you have Doodle 2, you have Label 2, you have Ombre, you have Pattern, and then you also do have the good old Scribblers as well. And that, my friends, is all of the things for this week. I am so excited. Such a good lineup. We have the normal 3 kits, but then we have the monthly kits that are coming out. We have all of those foil bundles that are coming out, the extras for the March, if you want to pick up any of those to kind of expand your March mystery. And yeah, these will be available for, a couple of weeks. And then I would say, if you want to get your hands on them, I would do so probably before like the 25th to always be safe. And then you do have the washi grab bags that will be restocked, as well as the new kind of like Doodle color of the week, etc. So that's everything. Also, I'm so excited for this. Thank you for watching, and these will all be live Wednesday at noon Eastern, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.